Hi, we're going to look at how to find a private loan lender. We recommend you take advantage of the federal direct loans before borrowing a private loan because they offer low fixed interest rates with no credit check and no cosigner. To get started, go to kettering.edu. Under Admissions, select Tuition and Affordability. Under Types of Aid, select Loans. Under Private Student Loans, select the Private Loan Information link. Borrowing Essentials provides information on borrowing money to pay for your education. Please take time to review this information if you'd like, or you can skip it by clicking I've already completed Borrowing Essentials. You will have to check that you've read and understand the loan product disclosures. We're going to filter the loans by undergraduate. You can either scroll through the list and see if there are 5 lenders that you would like to look at, or you can select the first 5 that appear on the list to compare. Once you have 5 lenders, go ahead and select Compare. The Loan Product Summary section gives a brief overview of what each lender has to offer, from their interest rate ranges, the types of APRs offered, whether they offer any borrower benefits, and the lender's contact information. This next section tells you who's eligible to apply, the minimum enrollment status, citizenship status, and whether you can apply for past due balances. The loan rates and fees tells you, again, what the minimum and maximum interest rates are, the types of APRs offered, any additional fees associated with the loan program, and if there are any late charges that may apply. Borrower benefits include repayment incentives that could include interest rate reductions, full or partial origination fee rebates, or principal balance reductions. So you would want to look at this section to see what the lenders offer. In the additional details of the loan, we'll give you any additional details. Due to your age and lack of credit history, you will be required to have a cosigner. A wide range of individuals can cosign for you as long as they are deemed creditworthy, understand and accept the responsibilities of being a cosigner, and meet any specific cosigner requirements of the lender. Individuals you may want to consider asking to cosign include a parent or guardian, a relative such as a grandparent, aunt, uncle, or cousin, or any other individual who is supportive of your higher educational goals. Once you've decided on a lender, click the link below the lender's icon to be redirected to the lender's application. We recommend that you borrow enough to cover your balance for the entire year. You can find the amount that you owe for the current term by logging into KU ePay, or you can contact our office if you need help determining the amount to borrow. If you need help with the actual application, please contact the lender directly. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office at 810-762-7859 or finaid@kettering.edu.